Hey everyone, Geoffrey here, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into Huawei's latest flagship smartwatch, the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who loves tech with a luxurious touch, this smartwatch has something for everyone. Let's check out what makes it stand out. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. First things first, look at that design. Huawei has pulled out at the stops, giving the GT5 Pro a premium feel with a titanium frame and sapphire glass. It's not just about looks though, it's built to last, offering incredible durability while maintaining that sophisticated high-end vibe. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or out for a night on the town, this watch blends seamlessly with your style. The titanium version gives its rugged yet refined look, while the ceramic back ensures comfort throughout the day. It also comes with titanium black version with fluoroelastomer straps with a lower price. Now let's talk about that display. The GT5 Pro rocks a stunning 1.43-inch AMOLED screen with vivid colors and deep blacks. The always-on display, or AOD, is sharp and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. Huawei has mastered the art of creating a screen that's not just functional but also a joy to look at, making your interactions with it feel premium. In terms of the performance and features, it's packed with the latest tech. The GT5 Pro is not just about looks, it's a powerhouse of features. You get advanced health monitoring tools like 24/7 heart rate tracking, SpO2 monitoring, stress, and even ECG functionality. All this in your wrist in real time. Whether you're keeping an eye on your vitals or tracking your sleep, the GT5 Pro does it all with impressive accuracy. For fitness fanatics, you're going to love this. The GT5 Pro comes with over 100 plus workout modes, from running and cycling to swimming and hiking. It automatically detects certain workouts, tracks your performance, and even offers real-time coaching. And yes, it's 580M water resistant. Also, with diving mode up to 40 meters, so no worries about taking it for a swim. One of the most impressive things about the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro is the crazy battery life. On a single charge, it can last up to 14 days with typical usage and around 8 days with heavy usage, thanks to its efficient power management system. So whether you're tracking multiple activities or using the always-on display, you won't have to worry about charging this beast constantly. Now under the hood, we've got Huawei's Harmony OS 5.0 running the show. The UI is smooth, intuitive, and integrates well with Huawei's ecosystem of devices. Notifications come through seamlessly, and it supports calling, Bluetooth, and music playback. The GT5 Pro also pairs well with both Android and iOS, giving it a wide appeal. Now this device also has multiple ways to interact with it. You can navigate using the responsive touchscreen, the rotating crown for smooth scrolling, or the side buttons for quick access to key features. It's intuitive and makes managing your day-to-day tasks, workouts, and health data a breeze. So, what's the verdict on the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro? It's a near-perfect blend of luxury, durability, and functionality. The health tracking features are top-notch, the design is sleek and versatile, and the battery life is class-leading. At price of 1,800 dirhams here in Dubai, it offers serious value for a premium smartwatch. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or diving into the smartwatch game for the first time, the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro won't disappoint. It's built for those who want the best of both fashion and technology. Alright, that's it for today's review of the latest Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. Let me know what you think of this device in the comment below. And if you like this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.